你好, I'm Jingyu. Welcome to my channel. I will share Chinese language learning courses on my channel and talking about Chinese culture. If you are interested in Chinese and want to learn some Chinese knowledge, please follow my channel. I will continue to update relevant content. In previous lessons, we learned time about days in Chinese, like today, yesterday, tomorrow, morning, act. You can review if you forgot. Today, we will learn the days of week in Chinese, from Monday to Sunday. Okay, let's start. First one, Monday. 星期一. 星期 means week. 一 is the number 1. So, 星期一 is Monday. Please repeat. 星期一. 星期一 is Monday. Okay, if we want to say Monday to Saturday, just put the numbers 1 to 6 after 星期. So, Tuesday is 星期二. Please repeat. 星期二. 星期二. That's Tuesday. Okay, next one, Wednesday. 星期三. Please repeat. 星期三. 星期三 is Wednesday. Okay, do you remember how to say the number 4? Right, is 4. So, Thursday is 星期四. Please repeat. 星期四. 星期四. That's Thursday. And Friday, how do you say 5? Is 5. So Friday is 星期五. Please repeat. 星期五. 星期五 is Friday. Okay, Saturday is 星期六. 六 is the number 6. Please repeat. 星期六. 星期六. 星期六 is Saturday. Okay, let's look at Sunday. 星期日. 日 means sun. 星期日. 星期日. Also, we can say 星期天. 天 means day. Please repeat. 星期天. 星期天. Okay, let's review. 星期一. 星期 二、星期三、星期四。Next one. 星期五 and 星期六。星期日 or you can say 星期天。Very good. Let's look at this. What day is today? Is 今天是星期几？今天 means today. 是 means is. 几 is an interactive pronoun used to ask about quantity or members. Please repeat. 几几今天是星期几 means what day of today or what day of the weekday. If I want to say today is Saturday, I would say 今天是星期六。今天 means today. 星期六 means Saturday. So together is 今天是星期六。It means today is Saturday. Okay, if today is Saturday, then what day was yesterday? Do you still remember how to say yesterday in Chinese? You can review the previous lessons if you forgot. 昨天，昨天。Yesterday was Friday is 昨天是星期五。And tomorrow is 明天。明天。Tomorrow is Sunday. 明天是星期日。Or we can say 明天是星期天。Now, please tell me what day of the weekday right now. 今天是星期几 ？And you can answer 今天是。Very good. And what about yesterday? 昨天是。Good. And tomorrow is 明天是。Okay, let's review today's content. Monday, 星期一。Tuesday, 星期二。Wednesday, 星期三。And Thursday, 星期四。Friday, 星期五。Saturday, 星期六。Sunday, 星期日。Or 星期 天。What day of the weekday? 今天是星期几？ Today is 今天是 Yesterday is 昨天是 Tomorrow is 明天是 Okay, that's today's video. Feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Practice documents are available below the video. You can download if you need. If you are interested in my channel and want to learn some Chinese, please follow my channel. 再见。